Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I wanted to say thank you for helping my channel grow to 100,000 subscribers. Wow, thank you so much. I am truly beside myself. I've got a whole bunch of cool stuff to give away, and I know you guys are wondering, Metal Complex, how do I enter? That's all I want to know. How do I enter to win this stuff? This Friday, the 13th, should be easier to remember, at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, I'll be hosting a live event to give this stuff away. So if you are Mountain Standard Time, that'll be 6 p.m. If you are Eastern Standard Time, that's going to be 8 p.m. But once again, this Friday, May 13th at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time will be the live event. You will need to participate in this event, meaning you will need to be there for the live event to both enter and win. That means there is no way to enter right now. There's going to be an unlisted link underneath the live stream that people will need to click on and then just leave a comment under that video. Why are you doing it that way, Metal Complex? Well, here's the problem. Bots and scammers and all sorts of malicious entities have noticed my giveaway events, and they are constantly attacking people and trying to get them to send money through the fake Cash App, etc. phishing scams. And that really drives me crazy. And I know some people are like, well, I don't really care about those people. That's about this. I do. I care about everybody who comments under my videos. I don't want anybody getting scammed. So what I found, the best way to combat this is to use the unlisted link underneath the live stream so that people actually have to come to the live stream, click on the link, and then leave their comment. It seems like the bots and the scammers and whoever they are not willing to actually go in, click on that link, and start leaving their comments under every single video. As you can imagine, with thousands of people entering to win a competition, some of these bots are programmed to respond to every single comment. So that creates a big problem for me if I have hundreds or thousands of people trying to contact me through email or Instagram saying, hey, I got a message saying I won something. This creates a big problem for me. So hosting a live event and making entry a part of participation in the live event is the best way to fight this. On top of that, it also is more fun for everybody because everybody comes together and is joining in during the event, and it just makes it awesome. So I understand that some people might not be able to make it, and I'm sorry about that, but I really just don't want people having to deal with the bots and the scammers, and I don't want to have to explain to hundreds and hundreds of people, no, you didn't actually win something, that is a bot that's using my logo, right? So in fact, there's a good chance that this very video, if you look down there, those bots might actually be trying to pull this off right now, in which case I will have to shut the comments off. I really hope that that doesn't happen, but I want to give back to you guys. I want to do something fun. I've got some really cool prizes, and I don't want anybody getting scammed in the process. So this is the way that we're going to have to do it. As per usual, you must be at least 18 years of age to enter and win. That's how it's always been. That's how it's always going to be. You also need to be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. If you live outside the continental United States, you can still enter and win, but I need the address of someone who lives here inside the continental United States to ship to first. So a friend, a family member, a person from the knife community that you trust, you can work it out with them. I can ship it to them, then they can figure out how to ship it to you. Why do you do it like that? Because I am not going to risk breaking international laws to send a knife to somebody where it is, that knife is prohibited in that area. I'm sorry, I know that that creates, some unfairness, but it's not worth having my channel removed for something like that. So I do have to play within certain parameters. I have to play by the rules of YouTube and, of the rules of, the different countries who I, would in that situation hypothetically be sending to. So what do we have here? There's a little bit of confusion about this guy. Some people don't know. All he's doing is giving away a $150 Demco AD20. No, that would be one of these. This is the Grivery and Austin A Demco AD 20.5 made in Taiwan. These are about 150 bucks. This guy is much bigger. This is the true American Demco AD20. In this case, we are looking at G10 and CPM 20 CV. These are the guys that go for about $1,000 on eBay, sometimes more. This was originally purchased to be given away during my 50,000 subscriber giveaway event, but the knife that was voted for the giveaway item was a Sebenza, so I ended up keeping it and thought maybe I should give that. That's something that I purchased, and it's now worth much more money. I think somebody would really, really enjoy that. But I wanted to be clear about that for the prize. Next up, of course, we have the legendary scalpel. So many people have wondered about this. This is an F-150 truck spring that was made into a scalpel by my friend Keith, and it has absolutely tortured and confused tens of thousands of people over the course of a couple years on this channel. It has unboxed almost everything on this channel. I thought it's a wonderful piece of channel history. I thought somebody might really enjoy having that. So that'll be one of the items. Next up, what we've got here is the Vero Engineering Fulcrum. This was specially made for me, for my 100,000 subscriber giveaway event. And then make sure and check out Vero Engineering also. This was really kind, nice titanium pry bar. You, of course, have the bits there. Really, really awesome. It was so nice. We also have, this is the first time that my logo has ever been on a knife. The gents from Way of Knife decided to put the Metal Complex helmet logo for me on a Kizer Cyberblade, which is really neat. This is, as far as I know right now, a one-of-a-kind item. I really enjoy the ano and the logo on there. I really think that the pocket clip and, of course, the little thumb sort of triangle thing, the ano on that is really neat. But it was just really cool to see my logo on there, and I thought somebody might really enjoy having that for themselves. Next up, we have another awesome, very difficult to get your hands on item. This is the Vero Engineering Axon titanium frame lock. These, along with pretty much anything that Vero does, are gone in what seems like minutes, and then it's very hard outside of the secondary market to get your hands on them. So Vero very generously donated this Axon for my 100,000 subscriber giveaway. So I know that there's a lot of people trying to get your hands on this guy. Somebody's going to win it. And then we also have another very spectacular item. This is a one-of-a-kind Winter Blade Co. Signature Series Factor. If you don't know, this is one of the only magnetically operated knives in existence. It's certainly the first to be exactly like this, where we have a magnetic deployment system and magnetic lock. Brian Winters is an absolute wizard, and this thing is fantastic. This was specially made for my 100,000 subscriber giveaway with the green ano, the special pivot, and then the custom work on the pivot collar. So this is, I think, the first of what will eventually be, more Signature Series knives from Winter Blade Co. You guys know I have a Factor. There's a couple other people who have a Factor here just on YouTube. But these are actually not available yet. So I thought it was really cool that we have not only a Factor, but a Signature Series Factor with some unique ano and some other unique elements, including actually a completely and totally solid spacer deployment bar, which is neat. That's not the case with the other ones there. So this is very cool. All of these items are brand new and come with their original packaging and paperwork. So you'll be able to authenticate that, and I'll make sure and put something special in there for the people who win so that they know that it was from me. If you're wondering, are you giving all of these items to one person? No, that's how I usually do it. But no, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different winners. So that'll be fun for everybody. You won't have to wait until the end to find out if you won everything or nothing, right? Everybody's got a little bit better chance to win something, but if you do win something, you cannot win another item. So it's very unlikely. I'm guessing thousands of people will enter. It's very unlikely that your name will be drawn, say, for the Axon and then again for the AD20. But if that happens, you cannot win both. You can only win the first item that you were drawn for. As has been the case with all of my giveaways, you have exactly 7 days to claim your prize. I want the people who win to stay in the live stream and let me know. I won. I'm claiming that. And I will give you information on how to contact me if your name is drawn. But I want to know, right? You don't want to pop in, leave your comment, and then, I mean, if you absolutely have to, that's perfectly fine. But if you're there, you'll know for sure. I have had people miss prizes because their name was drawn and they never came back to check. I will not sort through thousands of comments to find your comment in order to reply to you if you win. I will draw the name during the live stream and show it on screen, so you will be responsible for finding out if you won. And then you'll need to contact me within that 7-day period in order to claim your prize. If you do not, I will draw another name. We'll probably do it on another live stream so that everybody can see it and everybody knows. That's how I've done it in the past. But yeah, just so you know. So once again, you cannot enter right now. Leaving a comment under this video will not enter you for anything. You will need to participate in my live event this Friday, the 13th, at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. Underneath that live stream in the description, there will be a special link that is otherwise unlisted on YouTube. It'll be the only way that you can enter to win this stuff. I know that it's going to be frustrating for some people, and I'm sorry. I just wanted to be very clear, let you guys know exactly why I'm doing it this way. I want it to be fun for everybody. I don't want anybody getting scammed by these stupid, disgusting scam bots. And I don't know, I mean, seriously, like, what are these people doing with their lives, right? I hate that. So I'm going to do everything I can to combat that, and I'm hoping that everybody who wants to enter can actually make it. Sincerely, thank you guys so much for helping this channel grow. I hope you guys are excited. These are some really, really unique items, really hard to get stuff, really valuable stuff. And this is the kind of stuff that I like to give away. I like to give away things that are otherwise very difficult to acquire. It's not necessarily about value. There's a lot of value here, but it's more about, the enthusiast and collector elements that we all love. This stuff is hard to get. Very few people can get their hands on it. So if I can get my hands on it, it makes sense for me to give some of it back. I'm a collector, so I do definitely have my own collection, but this stuff I'm happy to give to you guys. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see you guys in the live stream. Hope to see you there. I think that's going to be pretty much it, guys. I hope you have an excellent rest of your Wednesday and an excellent rest of your week. Bye.